DJI reveals Mini 3 portable camera drone. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. Today, drone and camera technology leader DJI unveiled the DJI Mini 3 ultra-lightweight camera drone. The pocket-sized DJI Mini 3 can be taken anywhere, and at under 249 grams it is exempt from most drone regulations in several parts of the world. Its 1/1.3-inch camera sensor records in 4K/30 fps HDR and takes 12 MP photos with true vertical shooting to create content optimized for social media platforms. DJI Mini 3 arrives as a welcome addition to our growing compact drone lineup, said DJI Creative Director Ferdinand. It follows in the footsteps of its sibling, Mini 3 Pro, and offers many of the same high-performance features as a worthy alternative option. We created Mini 3 to invite even more new users to take off for the first time, and we can't wait to see the moments they create with it. DJI Mini 3's intelligent flight battery grants it a max flight time of up to 38 minutes, which can be extended by up to 51 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. DJI O2 digital video transmission provides a 720p/30 fps live feed from up to 10 kilometers away, with powerful anti-interference technology guaranteeing a stable connection throughout the flight. Mini 3 has a wind resistance at up to 10.7 meters per second, allowing it to hover and maintain a stable image in various conditions. DJI Mini 3 also features quick shots, a suite of pre-programmed flight and filming paths for both landscape and vertical shooting. DJI Mini 3 supports a myriad of intelligent functions designed to help the user get started quickly. Users can initiate flight with auto takeoff and use the return to home (RTH) function to instruct the aircraft to automatically return to its starting location in various situations. Mini 3 also combines GNSS with the downward vision system and the infrared sensing system to enable stable and accurate hovering. DJI's protection plan, DJI Care Refresh, is also available for Mini 3, covering accidental damage and providing replacements. To coincide with the new release, the aerial photography and videography community SkyPixel is launching a campaign that will provide pilots with the opportunity to create and share content using Mini 3. Through the SkyPixel product tryout program, users can post why they should receive Mini 3 or who they would gift it to, and SkyPixel will select users to receive Mini 3 for a limited time to create content for a chance to win prizes.